Prof.Samuel from the VIT School of Business, VIT University. As a School of Business professor, I like to study on various business opportunities and various business houses. Today we are at Mr. DIY. Mr. DIY, this is one of the biggest retail house improvement retail sector. Started in 2005 in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, and it started its operations in India in 2019 in Mumbai, Milan. Right, so in 2005 in Kuala Lumpur, there's got more than 2,000 branches all over most of Southeast Asia in countries. In Delhi, more than 100. In Mumbai, just from 2019. So we'll discuss in the class how Mr. DIY is betting big in house improvement retail sector, how beautifully everything is arranged. We'll see the logistics, we'll see the supply chain, we'll see creativity in design, we'll see the in-shop experience, we'll have discussions on all this and then have a practical learning.